Good morning students, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I am the faculty of science teacher. In the previous class I have already explained about your joints. Four types of joints are there, that is first one ball and socket joint, second one hinge joint, third one pivot joint and the fourth one gliding joint. The place where two bones meet are called joint. Ball and socket joint found in the hip and shoulder. Reader, I have already explained you. Second one hinge joint, that is found in the elbow, toes and fingers part. Clear? And the third one hinge joint, that is found pivot joint, that is found in the neck part, and the fourth one, that is the last, that is gliding joint, that is found in the ankle and wrist part. Clear? I have already explained in the previous class. Clear? So these bones are doing movement with the help of muscles, and muscles contain a very strong fibers called elastic tissues. Clear? The bones cannot move without muscles. Clear? And these are made up of elastic tissues. Like we are doing the movement like this. Whenever you pull your arm, then bicep contract, and whenever you lower your arm, then tricep relax. Clear? Now look at here. The bones cannot move without muscles. These are made up of elastic tissues. Clear? They are attached to the bones by strong fibers called tendons. They are attached with the strong fibers called tendons. Clear? And there are about 650 muscles in our body. There are how many muscles are there? There are 650 muscles in our body. Now, there are muscles work by pulling bones. I have already explained, when you pull your arm, then bicep contract, and whenever you lower your arm, biceps relax. Clear? Now, they work in pairs by repeated contraction and abduction. Whenever you are doing any work like writing, you are pulling your object, you are lifting any object. So, with the help of bones, you are doing the work. But bones cannot do the work without the help of muscles. Clear? And two types of muscles are there, that is biceps contract, and then the second one is tricep contract. Clear? Whenever you pull your arm, then biceps contract, and whenever you lower your arm, then bicep relax and triceps contract. Clear? Now, what are the three? There are various types of muscles. The first one is muscles is voluntary muscles, that is also called skeletal muscles. Clear? The muscles that are under our control, that is called voluntary muscles. And muscles in arms, like muscles in arms and legs, these are called voluntary muscles. Second one, that is involuntary or smooth muscles. The muscles that work but not under our control. These are they are doing the work but they are not in our control. That is called involuntary muscles. Like muscles in our stomach, like and intestine, and muscles taking the food inside through alimentary canal, and like heart and lungs, they are doing their work. Clear? So these are called involuntary muscles. Now the third one, that is cardiac muscles. These muscles are a type of involuntary muscles, that is also called type of involuntary muscles, and they are found in the walls of the heart. Heart, you know, just like a pump, and day and night doing the work without taking rest. Clear? They are also under our they are not under our the heart is not under our control, and they make our heartbeats. You know, day and night our heartbeat is going on. I have already explained you the 72 beats per rate in a minute. Clear? And whenever you are doing exercise and jogging, then 80 pulse per minute. Now the cardiac muscles work throughout our life and never gets tired. The cardiac muscles are working day and night and never gets tired. And you know what happened? Sometimes it becomes stop. Then what happened? Heart attack is there. Some problem is there. Then you are going to the doctor and consult with the doctor, taking medicine. Some operation is also there, like heart transplanted operation is also there. Clear? So these are about the today's chapter. And there are 206 bones in our body, and the bones are doing more movement with the help of muscles. And these muscles are also attached with made up of strong elastic tissues. And these they are attached to the bones by strong fibers called tendons. There are 650 muscles in our body, and two muscles are there, that is bicep and tricep. So you can do relaxation and contraction process with the help of these bicep and tricep. Whenever you pull your arm, then bicep contract, and whenever you lower your arm, then tricep contract and biceps relax. Clear? And three types of muscles are there. Voluntary muscles, that is also called skeleton muscles. Second one, involuntary muscle, that is also called smooth muscle, and the third one, cardiac muscles. So that's all today's class. Thank you.